In this video, we take a close and balanced look at herein.com to help you decide whether it's a trustworthy platform or something you should be cautious about. We uncovered 5 major red flags that raise serious concerns about its credibility. First, the domain was registered only recently, which is often a sign of a platform that hasn't yet built trust or a long-term track record. Second, we couldn't find any genuine, independent user reviews online, just generic testimonials that seem questionable. Third, the website's layout and overall design appear to be lifted directly from other known scam sites, lacking originality and professionalism. Fourth, the platform makes bold claims about potential earnings and legitimacy, but there's zero evidence or third-party documentation to back any of it up. And finally, one of the most alarming issues is the complete absence of real customer support. No live chat, no contact number, and even the email seems unresponsive. While we're not labeling it outright as a scam, these red flags make it clear that you should think twice and do thorough research before putting any money into herein.com.